Hello, Mario here. I have an alternative tool to a knee kicker. We simply call it the Kicks. It attaches to any kind of stretcher, and you simply just set this thing down. I have a substantial wrinkle over here, and to remove it, I simply just kneel on this tool and push the stretcher down, pin it, and release it. And then I go to the other side here, kneel on the stretcher, and release it. And if you notice, the wrinkles all gone. Carpet's very tight, the width of the stretcher head. The only thing you have to do is stretch it both ways, and the wrinkle comes out. And much easier than using a knee kicker, and about the same price. Thank you.